This is the door. Rubbish bin. Here, there's a wee fridge.
What's that?
Wee refrigerator. Air condition. A wee table. Right here. The CR. Okay.
Light on that so you can see.
Yeah, it's good. I can have shower here.
I have shower too and shake.
That's right.
Now I can bring me a razor from home.
Then what do you call that? Reclining chair, right? So you can watch the TV over there and hear the patient. His name Maurice.
See you, Morris.
Yeah. And there another bed here where I can sleep tonight. The guard didn't allow me to bring some pillows, but I'm clever enough. I sneak some pillow.
This is Mojo at US.
Are you okay now?
Yes.
Yung pagkain ko dito, andito na sa fridge. Wala pa akong kain. Ayan. Kay Morris to. Rice ko. Tsaka yung kutsinta. Birthday ng Jello. Di man lang nakaselebrate. May kutsinta ako. Tsaka ano. Okay na yan. You ready? Huh?
Okay.
Take it off.
What's the time now, Daddy? What's the time now? 5 o'clock.
Quarter to 6.
Huh?
Quarter to 6.
Huh?
Quarter to 6.
I'm on the phone.
Yeah.
He wants to message me.
Can you hug me? Can I hug a hug?
Huh?
Can you hug me?
Huh?
Hug
Can you
me.
give me my hand and love? Very nice.
Sure. This is so much. I miss our bonding together.
Get on my hair and stuff, please.
I miss our bonding together. I said.
Yeah, I know.
Hello po. Good morning. Going home today?
Huh?
Are we going home today?
Yep.
How are you feeling?
Good. Going home today.
Thank you, Lord.
Breakfast is different. How my breakfast?
How's your breakfast?
A bit different.
Oh, That's nice. Very little, but
Just waiting for the bell.
be fine. The scary thing. The thing where I'm always
No, you're not
scared.
better now.
Okay? From now on, you have to look of yourself. Look after yourself.
You need to do the inhaler properly, hopefully.
That's right. I'll show you how to do it. You look handsome again, huh? Oh dear, handsome boy. If you feel dizzy, even a little dizzy,
Huh?
just tell me, and then we run to doctor. Okay? Oh my God. We have breakfast together. This is the leftover chicken from last night, and bread for myself, coffee, and more juice coffee. Oh, why you're not eating your rice? Yes, you look hungry. Look at me. Oh, Jello told me that Ginger been crying the whole day yesterday.
Beating again.
No, crying. I think looking for you.
No.
Just wondering where's my dada. Something like that. Haven't seen dada for a few days already. Hi guys, good morning. Done my cleaning today.
My husband's going home now.
Going home for our 3 days. How many days we're here? How many days we're here?
How many days?
Yeah,
4 days.
4 days in the hospital. See, I'm done cleaning. I guess we're going home today. See, looking good now. The bed and the patient. Everything okay now, ready to go. Just waiting for the final bill. Oh, you're still coughing.
Hello.
You need more days. What are you gonna say? Okay now?
You plug in the knee, plug my phone in.
Right.
Thank you, pal.
Uwi na kami ngayon, guys. Ito pala yung room namin sa loob ng 4 days. Dito sa hospital. Ayan siya. Bigyan ko kayo ng room tour. Oo. And then, dito banda, CR. Sorry, makalat yung CR ngayon kasi may shower, hot and cold. At ang aking pasyente, ayan. Hey, still coughing.
Don't worry about my cough. It's still
Mm,
nothing
still,
coming up.
look at you. You're handsome.
Hello, everybody. I'm going home.
Yes. Ayan siya, nagpapahinga lang habang naantay ang final bill. Inayos ko na yung bed para sa sunod na pasyente. Pero, syempre, papalitan naman nila yan ng bago. Inayos ko lang. Tapos, ayan. Ang aking higaan. Inayos ko na para sa susunod na bantay. Pero papalitan din naman nila ng bagong sapin yan. Yan. Kinuha ko na yung mga kalat dito. Niligpit ko na din siya yung mga ano namin. Actually marami yan eh. Inaagad ko lang padala dun sa bahay. At ang aming view araw-araw na nagbibigay ng pag-asa sa amin. Ang langit at ang mga bahay-bahay na yan. Doon yung palaruan ng mga kambing. Actually, walang kambing ngayong araw. Bakit kaya? Yan lang ang nagpapangiti sa akin habang mabigat ang aking puso ba. Ayan. Hoy! Inuubo ka na naman? Love? Love? What's that?
This is the night about this is the,
No? Why you coughing?
coughing is normal, lad. There's no phlegm coming up, so stop panicking about it. I'm always going to have a cough. So stop stressing about it.
Okay. And guys, bahala na kami kain na lang ako ng ginamos guys. Basta buhay lang tong taong ito. Napaka-importante nito sa akin guys. Mahal na mahal ko ta. Kaya wag kayo magsasabi na nakadali ako ng AFAM. Walang pera to guys. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pero ganun pa man, mahal na mahal ko to guys. Ha? Huwag kayong basher dyan. Sabihin nyo, ay, nalagaan niya kasi may pera. Wala guys. Walang pera. Pero at least, mahal na mahal niya yung anak ko. Minahal niya ng sobra-sobra. Hindi, ayaw niya nga sabihin na stepdaughter. Gusto niya anak. Anak talaga guys. Kaya wag kayong basher dyan. Kaya kahit walang pera, love na love ko yan. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.